Hemlock forests from Georgia to Connecticut are being decimated by an invasive Asian insect known as the hemlock woolly adelgid. Adelgid are aphid-like bugs that form cottony sacs filled with eggs on the underside of hemlock twigs and suck sap from the tree, starving it. Connecticut's hemlock forest has already been severely damaged, and adelgid has infested hemlock forests throughout much of Massachusetts, and more recently invaded southern portions of Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. But northern New England's forests have, so far, fared better than those in more southerly locations. David Orwig, a forest ecologist at the Harvard Forest, has spent the last 16 years trying to learn more about this infestation, to better understand both how forests are responding in the immediate term and how the loss of hemlocks may alter forest character and function in the coming decades. Orwig and his colleagues and students have been monitoring dozens of forest plots in Connecticut and Massachusetts, measuring how far and how fast the adelgid is spreading, and how rapidly the infested hemlocks succumb. This map from the U.S. Forest Service shows that nearly the entire extent of hemlock forests south of Massachusetts has been affected by the hemlock woolly adelgid. Infected hemlock trees in these areas die within a few years. David Orwig and his team have documented that when the hemlock die, they are replaced by hardwoods, such as black birch, and the character of the forest begins to change. More light and heat reach the ground, and the cooling effect of mature hemlock stands is lost. Animals that favor hemlock forest habitat may become less common. Researchers have also discovered that in Massachusetts, infested hemlocks survive longer because cold northern winters kill many adelgid. This may help limit the adelgid's spread northward, at least for now. But as winter temperatures increase due to climate warming, will the hemlock forests of northern New England be increasingly affected? This and other questions drive the ongoing research of Orwig and his colleagues to better understand the short and long-term impacts of invasive species on our changing forests.